Hello everyone and welcome back once again, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get Afterpay on DoorDash in 2025. So the first thing you need to do is ensure you are logged into your account. So open the DoorDash app and log into your account. Next, you have to select a restaurant and add food items as normal, and you tap the cart icon and select checkout. Next, under payment methods, you tap add payment option and choose Afterpay and log into your Afterpay account. Next, to confirm your purchase, Afterpay will split the total into 4 interest-free payments. Don't forget that Afterpay must be pre-installed on your device and not all orders qualify. Minimum spend may apply. So as at 2025, Afterpay integration remains in DoorDash's payment options under add payment method. So the steps we've given you here reflect the current UI. There's no drop-down menus or direct selection. Hope you found this video helpful.